Commission of India serves as a crucial precedent in the enforcement of competition law in India, reinforcing the authority of the CCI in curbing anti-competitive practices. The case underscores the judiciary's commitment to uphold fair competition, especially in sectors involving significant public interest, like public procurement. The case of Excel Crop Care Limited, v. Competition Commission of India, opened a significant discourse on the complexities of competition law in India. The essence of this case revolved around the repercussions of monopolistic practices in the agricultural sector, emphasizing the importance of fair competition in essential markets. Excel Crop Care Limited, a prominent player in the agrochemical industry, found itself at odds with the Competition Commission of India, CCI, over allegations of anti-competitive conduct. The core issue was whether the company engaged in practices that stifled competition and ultimately harmed consumers, an aspect closely scrutinized in light of the provisions set out in the Competition Act. A careful examination of the facts revealed that Excel Crop Care had entered into agreements that seemingly limited market access for competitors. This sparked a debate regarding the balance between legitimate business strategies and anti-competitive behavior. The CCI's decision underscored its role as a protector of market integrity, asserting that the interests of consumers must prevail over the pursuit of increased market share. The Supreme Court's ruling in this case was pivotal, as it not only upheld the CCI's findings, but also provided clarity on the application of competition law, particularly concerning Section 3 of the Competition Act. The judgment highlighted that acts that may appear innocuous at first glance could have detrimental effects on market health. This key takeaway resonates across many sectors, urging businesses to adopt practices transparent to fair competition. Moreover, the judgment emphasized the necessity of extensive evidence to substantiate claims of anti-competitive agreements. The court acknowledged that establishing a direct correlation between an agreement and the resulting market dynamics is essential for legal scrutiny. Thus, the burden of proof rests largely with the entities challenging the competitive practices. This case set a precedent, signifying a robust approach toward enforcing competition law in India. It urged companies to reassess their operational strategies, ensuring compliance with legal standards while maintaining competitiveness. The implications of this ruling extend to other sectors, stressing the crucial need for adherence to anti-monopoly regulations. In conclusion, the Excel Crop Care case served as a landmark moment for Indian competition law. It reaffirmed the importance of maintaining fair competition and the role of regulatory bodies in safeguarding market integrity. Such legal milestones paved the way for a more equitable marketplace, benefiting consumers while fostering healthy corporate rivalry. Did you know that in 2017, the Supreme Court of India ruled on a case involving Excel Crop Care Limited that significantly impacted competition law in the country? This case helped clarify how companies engage with anti-competitive practices. The case of Excel Crop Care Limited versus the Competition Commission of India is a landmark judgment that has far-reaching implications for businesses operating in India. It's essential to understand the nuances of this case, as it sets a precedent for companies to follow. In this video, we'll delve into the details of this case, exploring the context, events, and outcome that led to this significant ruling. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how the Competition Commission of India regulates anti-competitive practices and how companies can avoid falling foul of these regulations. The Excel Crop Care Limited case is a critical one, as it sheds light on the complexities of competition law in India. Let's start by understanding the context of this case. The Competition Commission of India, established in 2003, is the primary regulator of competition in India. Its purpose is to ensure that businesses operate in a fair and competitive environment, which ultimately benefits consumers. Excel Crop Care Limited, on the other hand, is a leading agrochemical company based in India. Founded in 2004, the company has grown exponentially, becoming one of the largest producers of agrochemicals in the country. The company's operations are widespread, with a significant presence in the Indian agricultural market. Given its market dominance, it's essential to understand how the company's actions were perceived by the Competition Commission of India. The story begins in 2011, when the Competition Commission of India received information about alleged anti-competitive practices by Excel Crop Care Limited. The Commission launched an investigation,